I made you a portrait. Do you like it? She doesn't care. World Watercolor Month is founded by Doodle Wash, and if you need further information about the event, you may check out their website, or you may also visit worldwatercolormonth.com. If you need the official 2020 prompt list or the list of the challenges, you may take a screenshot, or you may also visit the link that I'll be putting at the description box. The event challenges us to make one painting each day basing on the allotted word for a certain day. I of course am gonna make one painting each day, but I have decided to just compile my output and upload the process on a weekly basis. And since the last day of July falls on a Friday, I have chosen to just upload my output every Friday night. I thank everyone who participated in my poll regarding my issues on uploading schedule. Actually, the daily upload got the highest vote, but I realized it may be very difficult for me to upload on a daily basis since I also have a job to do. Anyway, what matters is that we paint and relax and just enjoy the challenge. I hope you also join with me and let's just have fun using our medium. It's now July and it's officially World Watercolor Month, and the pad that I've chosen for the challenge is my Tokyo Fines Watercolor Journal. It's 5.5 by 8.5 inches, 300 grams, 20 sheets, cold pressed, and it's really an inexpensive pad that I really recommend. And if you're from outside the Philippines, you can use other pads. You can use Strathmore or anything that's available in your locality. At the back of the cover, I pasted the list of the challenges for easy access. And also, I'm not gonna be painting on the first page because I want to put an introduction here, or it might just leave it blank. I've also noticed that the front of each sheet is rough while the back is smooth. And for that, I have decided to paint only on the rough side. And since this is only 20 sheets, I might put 2 paintings in some of the pages to fit 31 in my 20 sheets. Anyway, it's just my preference. You can also paint on this side. The first word is rejoice. It's an intangible thing, so it's quite challenging actually to think of something to paint. I arrived at the decision to make a self-portrait based on a screenshot from one of my videos here to express my happiness and gratitude for this chance on YouTube. All your support and trust, all the learnings I get, the development I gain, all call for celebration. The freedom I have to express and to share my art, my creativity to all of you, cries for rejoicing. I've never been this expressive before in my painting life. For the skin, I used quinacridone rose magenta, cerulean blue, and golden, and also golden for my cap that I never lose in my videos. And for the jacket, I used indigo and Payne's gray. Texture is the word for the second day. I originally planned painting only the bronze vase to show texture, but I realized it may look more interesting to add some flowers and plants. Plus, we get more textures too, right? I've been wanting to paint this effect of oxidation on metals ever since, and I'm glad that I took this chance now. It was actually challenging at first because my white knight set does not include teal or cobalt turquoise for the patina effect. So I then resorted to mixing cerulean blue with turquoise blue to achieve a close to teal result. For the vase, I used English red and cadmium yellow medium and cerulean and turquoise blue. For the plants, I used cadmium yellow medium, cadmium lemon, green, and quinacridone lilac. For the background, I used green, cadmium yellow medium, and quinacridone rose. For day 3, the word is playful. My third day is now dedicated to all my cat lover co-artists out there watching this video. My cat name is Barbie Shime. She is now 6 years old, and despite her age, she is still playful and smart. I wish I had videos of her playful times, but those times were actually really random and happened in snaps. You know, cats. Shime is a Siamese cat and she's really smart. She knows my mood and she knows when I'm busy painting. She knows petting time is when I'm done with my painting session. For the background, I used indigo, sepia, and quinacridone rose magenta. And for my cat, I used burnt sienna, sepia, and cerulean blue. I made you a portrait. Do you like it? She doesn't care. So these are our first 3 paintings for the World Watercolor Month. I'll be posting these paintings on my Instagram account every Friday also. I hope you follow me there. It's Running Architographer. And I hope you enjoyed watching our first 3 days. I'll be making again another 7 for our next week. See you again next Friday. Thank you for watching.